What's up, guys? Welcome to Vibes with Darian. I am back with another music reaction video. Today we're going to be looking at another song from K-pop Demon Hunters. This time it's going to be What It Sounds Like. But before we get started, please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into the video.
The truth now, nothing but the proof of what I am. The worst of what I came from, patterns I'm ashamed of, things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it, I try to fight it. My head was twisted, my heart divided, my lies all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side. I broke into a
Feels
million
really
pieces.
hopeful,
I
really
can't go back,
think of
but
the future.
now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Why did I cover up the colors stuck inside my head? I
That's
should've
really
let the
important
jagged
to
edges meet the
love
light
yourself
instead.
completely and
Show me
fully.
what's underneath.
Live in your
I'll
authenticity.
find your
That's really important.
harmony.
And I love this
The
song
song
for
we couldn't
presenting that
write.
message
This
to
is
us.
what it sounds like. We're shattering the silence. We're rising, defiant, shouting in the quiet. You're not alone. We listen to the demons. We let them get between us. But none of us are out here on our own.
I think the demons here are both personal and physical. I think the demons here are depression, anxiety, insecurities, loneliness, all these different things, hopelessness. I think the demons are also trying to fuel those inner demons, those personal demons, those demons that will kind of divide you and destroy you and break you up into pieces and groups and create more chaos. I think it's really important to be hopeful and to love yourself and to be in your authentic truth and your authentic self, to grow and to be a more uh, complete and full person. That's a really great message that they're sending out here. I love that.
So we were cowards, so we were liars, so we're not heroes, we're still survivors, the dreamers, the
Surviving.
fighters, no lying, I'm tired, but dive in the fire and I'll be right here by your side.
The importance of togetherness and fighting
We
your
broke
fears
into
and
a
insecurities
million
together.
pieces and we can't go back, but now we're seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The stars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like.
She's speaking to Gino here too about his own fears and insecurities here as well, and I think that's why he has that kind of knowing or astonished look on his face of first the boldness of which she's coming forth towards him, and the hopefulness, the bravado, the strength that she has with her friends and her fans, coming together to promote a message of authenticity, promote a message of being your true self, of learning to live with and embrace the past, your pain, your sorrow, but using it in a way, using it as a tool to build you up, to make you better, to help you live more fully, more authentically.
Why do we cover up the
Really
colors stuck
beautiful message.
inside our head? Get up and let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. Fearless and undefined. This is what it sounds
Fearless.
like.
Your voices do not defeat.
Yo, Rumi.
Gino here knows. Gino wants to be a better person is looking to be kind of redeemed, right? So there's that self-sacrifice, that
Jinu,
moment where
no.
he
I'm sorry
realizes he can be more, he can be
for
better.
everything.
No, I wanted to set you free.
You did. You gave me my soul back.
Mm-hmm.
And now, I give it to you.
It's really sad that he had to sacrifice himself, but it was for a great cause to help steal the honeymoon, to help give her more strength, more energy to fight her battles, right? To fight her battle with Guima here, and to give her fans back their voice and give them back their strength, their hope, and their uh, togetherness.
You're just my type.
No more ads! We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The sky's a part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the light, this is what it sounds like. Why do we cover up the colors stuck inside our heads? Get up and let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. Fearless and undefined, this is what it sounds like. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Fearless and undefined, this is what it sounds like. Truth after all this time, our voices all combined. When darkness meets the light, this is what it sounds like.
Guys, this is what it sounds like. That was beautiful. That was a beautiful song. They did a phenomenal job with the messaging here, as always, with all these songs. They did a phenomenal job with the messaging here. The messaging is so important. The willingness to love yourself completely, the willingness to accept your faults, accept your mistakes, and embrace your insecurities, embrace all those different things about yourself, but using them as tools to fuel that drive for self improvement, for being better than your past self, to be encouraged, to be hopeful, to be strong and resilient and victorious, of being a survivor of your past, and to be a greater version of yourself for the present and the future. I think that's a beautiful message, and I really love how they incorporated all of these different messages in these songs. They did a phenomenal job as always, and this is most certainly a vibe. I can't stress that enough. But guys, what are your thoughts on this song? Did it resonate with you? Let me know down in the comments below. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.